What's up, guys? Today's DIY is a real super easy one. It'll be a short video, but we've got to put, see if my finger's right here, we've got to put a battery in Momma Badger's bike. It's a 2005 Fatboy with no security, so I mean it's a super simple job, but I will show you guys how it is done. Let's go. Alright guys, so I always get comments that I leave pieces out, like the real easy pieces. So as you can see, the seat is already off of this bike. So for those of you that don't know how to remove your seat, we're going to go to my other Fatboy, and there's a screw right here, if you can see it. There it is, you can see it. You pull that screw off, and then you pick up the seat and you pull it off. Really easy. So Momma Badgers is already off, so we don't have to go through that. And underneath the seat, you'll see the battery. And this is what's got to be replaced. So the battery has been weak for a while, and I've noticed it, but last time I hooked it up to the tender, it said it was fully charged, but it wouldn't start the bike. So time to replace that battery. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove the negative cable, and then you want to remove the positive. And then when you put it back in, you want to put the positive in and then the negative. So how can you tell which one's negative? A lot of times the battery tells you, but the biggest giveaway is, see where this is bolted right to the frame? That's a ground. So that's going to be your negative cable. So really easy way to tell. Then you're just going to back out this bolt, back out this bolt. Let's get it done. All right guys, so I kind of give you an overhead shot so you can see what I'm doing. So first thing I'm going to do is I have a 3/8 wrench. This will work with a 10mm too. I'll actually take it off. But I got the 3/8 here. Just break it loose. Really simple, really easy. Pull that bolt. Set it somewhere where you won't lose it. Do the exact same thing on the hot wire side. Definitely consult your manual because all of these motorcycles aren't the exact same. This one's just super easy to replace because it doesn't have any kind of security or anything like that. Pull these off to the side. Get it where I can actually get a hold of it here, hopefully. Pull the old battery out. All right, so next you're going to drop the new battery in. Get all the wires and everything out of the way. Just like the old one was. And then you're going to put all your wires back in place. Put your positive cable on first. Put your negative cable on second. Make sure all your wires are going to fit back in there correctly. Tighten down the positive. All right. Do the same to the negative side. Tuck all the wires out of the way. Tighten this side down. There it is. Battery's all changed. Okay, so some of you may be wondering what I was doing with the screwdriver. So there is, see if I can get to where you can see that. See that nut? See that nut right there? That nut's what this screws into. So I was putting the screwdriver in there to hold it tight up against this till I could get it threaded and started. And then of course just tightened it down from there. So for those of you that are wondering, that's exactly what I was doing with the screwdriver. Put all your wiring and stuff back in place. Put your seat back on. See if she starts.